Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing and making fast selections. Import RAWs at full resolution and choose Add to Reference files. This keeps your catalog lean. Next, skim in grid view and flag or rate images. Use P for pick, 1-5 stars to prioritize. Once done, enable lens corrections and the camera profile to neutralize distortion and color shifts. That gives you a clean baseline. Make sure to reject obviously bad frames, so you only edit the strongest images. You now tackle the core adjustments. Begin with exposure to set overall brightness, then refine contrast, highlights, and shadows to recover detail and shape the tonality. Once the histogram looks balanced, set white balance using the eyedropper on a neutral area and tweak temp and tint for skin or mood. After that, apply local clarity, texture, or dehaze modestly to enhance detail without overdoing it. Make sure to check the histogram and clipping indicators as you go to avoid losing data. You finish with targeted fixes and export settings. Apply graduated and radial filters for skies or vignettes, and use the adjustment brush to clean spots, dodge, or burn. Always invert masks to preview the effect. Then set sharpening based on final output size and apply noise reduction conservatively after checking 100% previews. Finally, export with the correct color space and resolution and use logical file names. If color shifts or banding appear, try 16-bit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.